Narendra Modi has just arrived. Today being the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and the 101st birth anniversary that is now being marked. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi also paid tributes to Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his birth anniversary, recalling his leadership, his ideals, his lifelong commitment to good governance, nation building and placing national interests above all. So the pictures that are now coming in from Sadaiv Atal, where bhajans are being sung. There are leaders and union ministers from the government and from the NDA allies as well who have come to mark this occasion of the 101st birth anniversary of the late former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Pragya, please describe the pictures coming in.
Well, Amita, there is some signal problem at your end, but I will show you the visuals here. Prime Minister has arrived at Sadaiv Atal, and in fact, if you could just see, there are ministers also present here. There are the party members also present here. Also, the working president of BJP. He is also present here along with Mr. JP Nadda. Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman is here. The security is in place right now. Prime Minister will be shown in our visuals, very soon. As soon as he, deboards from his vehicle, you could see the visuals. The security is in place right now. There were bhajans going on, at this particular place. Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a great orator and also a poet. But the fact is that everyone here today is also, the party where it stands. They give the credit to Atal Bihari Vajpayee as well. He became also, when in 1980, when Jan Sangh was, named as Bharatiya Janata Party, he was the major pillar of that particular party, and many of them believes the ideas that he stood for, and not just the ideas, the kind of life that he led, in public sphere as well as in the government. When he was Prime Minister, he was a Prime Minister 3 times. The kind of life he led and also the principles that he stood for, they still become a center for the policy making of this particular government. And if you could just see, Prime Minister will be seen in our visuals anytime from now. Prime Minister is there. If you could just see, Prime Minister is just standing there outside the car. There is also some other dignitaries coming right now, and everyone is eagerly waiting for Prime Minister. And you could see that there are people who are gathered here. They are clicking pictures and videos. Everyone would want to see Prime Minister. That is the popularity of the Prime Minister as well. But Prime Minister in the morning itself has ensured that he will pay tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And after here, he will also be going to Lucknow to inaugurate Rashtriya Ekta Sthal Smarak. And in fact, he is going to pay tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his 101st birth anniversary. I'll show you the visuals here. All the party members are sitting on one side and the cabinet ministers are sitting on the other side. The fact is, Prime Minister believes that there is a need to have some sort of respect and tribute for all the all the big leaders, and in fact their heritage should be celebrated. And this is why this Rashtriya Prerna Sthal is going to be inaugurated by Prime Minister in Lucknow around 2:30. Prime Minister has taken to social media also to speak about that. And there will be 3 statues that will be inaugurated in this particular sthal. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee and Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, they are also going to be there, along with the statue of Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Prime Minister has spoken about how the preserving and honoring the legacy of nations' great luminaries is important, and this is the reason why he would be also inaugurating this particular, Ekta Prerna Sthal. And not just that, Prime Minister has spoken about Atal Bihari Vajpayee not just once but twice. But he has also taken to social media to, explain the life of Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, where, the particular shloka says that, the leaders are being emulated by the people of the country, and you set an example for the people of the country, thereby saying that someone who is leading the people and should be living a life of high morals, ethics, which can be emulated by the people of the country. He has spoken about Mr. Atalji in in a way that shows a warmth that has come from knowing Mr. Atalji. It is his conduct, dignity, ideological steadfastness and resolve to place nation's interest that has been eulogized by Prime Minister in the
Pragya,
morning.
please to describe
And
the
you can
pictures
see
coming in. Leading is President Draupadi Murmu and Vice President also present there, accompanied by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The top leaders also being present. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha as they are making their way inside Sadaiv Atal, where top leaders and union ministers from the government and leaders from the NDA allies as well are said to be present to mark the occasion of the 101st birth anniversary of the late former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And the Prime Minister Pragya has stated that the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee will continue to serve a guiding light for all-round development of the nation.
राष्ट्रपति महोदया जी, श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी,
Pragya.
पुष्पमाला द्वारा श्री अटल जी को
Absolutely, Amita, and you can see President Draupadi Murmu paying tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and Prime Minister has rightly spoken about it, and this is exactly the reason why BJP and the government celebrate this particular day as Good Governance Day. Sushashan has been at the core of the principle of Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and that has also been taken up by the BJP and by the Modi government. And in fact, they have spoken about almost all the things that Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee stood for, putting the nation's interest first, irrespective whether the party will come and go, whether it will remain in the power or not. The first and foremost thing is that the nation should come first and everyone is there to serve national interest. This has also been at the core of the policies and decision making of the Modi government, and in fact this has also come, they have taken it from the life and also the public life of former late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And Prime Minister has always spoken about his life and how Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee has demonstrated the excellence which has been established not by the positions but by the conduct, and in that way it is guiding the society as well. Prime Minister has been sharing the many aspects of Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's life, and in fact if you remember the day Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee passed away, he walked from the party office barefoot till this samadhi, and in fact this is the kind of respect and love that Prime Minister had for Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And if you could just see the visuals there, Prime Minister paying tribute to his first birth anniversary. Now Venkaiah, who is also the chair of Atal Smriti Nyas. So in that position, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu is paying tribute. After that, there is Om Birla, Speaker, Nadda ji, JP Nadda, the BJP President, and Nitin Nabin, working BJP President. And behind him, you can see Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, and also Deputy Speaker of Rajya Sabha Harivansh ji, Nirmala Sitharaman, Cabinet Minister Lalan Singh, Prahlad, the family of Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and all the cabinet ministers who are present in Delhi today, they are here. And you could see, irrespective of where you come from, but they all loved Atal Bihari Vajpayee. They had many anecdotes with the revered leader who had relations on both sides of the, power. He was equally loved by the opposition as well. So that quality, in fact, has been remembered most by many of the leaders. And in fact, if you just see on my right is all the party leaders who had, many interactions with Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and they had been part of the, the system and the BJP and party as well. So this is also a way of remembering Vajpayee in the left.
We're losing that audio there with Pragya because the top leaders who are present there, but tributes and floral tributes that are now being extended by the top leaders there, as we saw, being led by President Draupadi Murmu, the Vice President also being present, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he's remembered the late former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee, saying that his leadership continues to inspire millions across the country, and heartfelt salutations to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who resides in the hearts of the countrymen on his birth anniversary. anniversary as he dedicated his entire life to good governance and nation building. He says that Atal Bihari Vajpayee will also be remembered not just as an eloquent orator, but also as a spirited poet, as his personality, his work, his leadership that continues to inspire generations and will serve as a guiding path for the all-round development of the country. The Prime Minister also added that the life and times of Vajpayee, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, it is a special occasion for all countrymen to draw inspiration from his life. And throughout his life, he has demonstrated that true excellence is not established by position, but by conduct. And that is what guides society. So later in the day, as far as the floral tributes that are being given by top leaders and ministers of the government and the NDA allies also being present there, pictures coming in from Sadaiv Atal, as today marks the 101st birth anniversary of former late Prime Minister and Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi later in the day is also scheduled to visit Uttar Pradesh, and he will be inaugurating the Rashtriya Prerna Sthal in Lucknow to honor the legacy of the luminaries of independent India. And it has now been developed as a landmark of national memorial and also inspirational complex of enduring national significance. So the complex that features 65 feet high bronze statues of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay and former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, whose birth anniversary today is being marked, symbolizing their contributions when it comes to India's political thought, nation building and public life. Well, let's now move on and get you these tragic pictures